Welcome. In front of me is a XIAOMI Leitzphone, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side of the screen like so, and somewhere in this list you will be looking for the Do Not Disturb mode. Now I already know that XIAOMI actually doesn't add it by default, so we do need to add it ourselves. And to do so, you just swipe all the way to the bottom, and this will show you the edit button. So you want to click on it, and automatically once you're in here, if you want, you can add the toggles, or not toggles, sorry, labels to the toggles, because by default they will actually not be visible. To add them, you would click right here, toggle this on, and the labels that you can see right here will also be visible on in the control center when you swipe down. Now in here we're going to scroll down and look for a toggle called DND, short for Do Not Disturb mode. When you see it, just click on it, on the plus. As you can see, it gets added, check mark, and it's visible in here now. So once it's in here, first time around, I recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize some of the options. Now, truth be told, XIAOMI doesn't have the best kind of options for Do Not Disturb mode. These are pretty bare bones. But still, maybe you can find something in here that you'd like to change. Going over the options in here, obviously the first one is just to toggle on and off. Next we have that the mode would run only when device is locked. When you're using the device, this mode, even when enabled like so, would basically act as though it's off. So calls and everything would be coming in normally. The moment you lock it, that's when calls get silenced and notifications and all that will take effect. Next we have notify about calls, so you can choose to be notified about nobody calling you. So anyone calling you basically would get ignored by you. Anyone, favorites, and contacts, as in all contacts that you have saved. Whatever you choose right here can be technically bypassed with the option below, notify about repeated calls. So if enabled, if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will bypass whatever you have selected right here. So you might get notifications regardless of the choice right here that someone is trying to reach you. Now this is I would say, good option in terms of emergencies. Usually people spam call you, and this would allow them to, well, kind of reach you, or at least you would be notified that they're trying to reach you. And last is the schedule turn on time. In here we can create multiple schedules and have them run automatically. So you just select start, end time, and whatever day of the week you want it to run during. Now I will be creating a schedule in here, and I do recommend doing the same thing, at least one, specifically one that is going to run for like a single minute at a time that it would never bother you. So I'm going to set one up for something like, let's just say midnight. And it's going to end at 01 midnight and repeat every single day. Now this you want to have enabled, and this is basically going to be a good option for just kind of having peace of mind. I'll explain this in a second. So anyway, whenever you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode, you would find this toggle and simply tap on it to toggle it on. Now if you set up a schedule, any kind of schedule that you want to use, that's fine. You don't need to toggle it on. Obviously, if you rely on schedule, that will be done by you, by the schedule for you. Now for people that use manually, that's why we set up this single minute long schedule, because when you toggle it on like I did, I would need to remember to turn it off. Now that won't be necessarily every time I will remember to turn it off, so when I forget to do so, it would run indefinitely. Therefore that schedule would try to turn it on at midnight, but it's already enabled if I forget about it, obviously. And a minute later it would actually turn it off for me. So obviously that's a peace of mind that it won't be running for like days at a time till I remember that it's enabled. Now one more thing to add is when setting up this schedule, so it would be turning off automatically, keep in mind that when it turns off, it does this. Sorry, there's no sound right now. There we go. So I'm going to unmute it, and now we can So you basically get this sound every time it's turned off, which, I don't know, maybe if you're sleeping and your phone is next to your bed, might not be something that you would like to hear. Muting it, as you've seen, putting a silent mode removes that, but maybe you don't want silent mode, then you might want to maybe change the timer that this would be happening at. But in any case, that's about it. So I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.